everyone. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
गुड मॉर्निंग।
अभी पापा बुला रहे हैं।
Good afternoon, everyone. And we all will be sitting on a chair, okay? We will do the activity and we all will be sitting on a chair properly, okay?
Good morning, ma'am.
मम्मी
Morning.
ये मेरा
Good afternoon, Mukund.
आप
Good afternoon, Mukund.
Good afternoon.
गुड आफ्टरनून मैम लाउडली बोलो गुड आफ्टरनून
Good afternoon, dear. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. How are you all? How are you all?
Fine.
Are you enjoying these days?
I am fine.
Are you enjoying? Welcome, dear. Are you all enjoying these days? Do you know what is tomorrow? What is tomorrow? It's Father's Day. Father's Day. Do you want to make a gift for your father? You want to make a gift for your father? Today we are going to make a beautiful gift. And who is going to make it? Who is going to make it? All the kids. Okay? All the kids will make it. Let's wait for 2 more minutes. Let everyone come and then we'll start off with the class. Okay? We'll start off with the session on Father's Day. One, please be seated. Everyone will be sitting on a chair. Please be seated. Very good. Very good.
और टीवी देखोगे सिट प्रॉपर्ली हो गया टीवी का काम अब क्लास का काम नहीं सही कोई बात नहीं कल भी मैं नहीं करूंगी अच्छे बोलूंगी कि बिल्कुल तुम्हारे साथ
One, good boy. Sit on your seat. You want sit on your seat? Very good.
मैम कह रही है sit on your
Dave, sit on your seat, baby.
gosh very nice very activity we will मैम स्टैंड अप करना मैम को बोलेंगे मैं पढ़ाई करूंगी
Yuvan, good boy. Yuvan, sit down. You're good boy. Very good, very good. Yuvan, sit down. Good boy.
ये ऊपर वाली फ्लोर पे
Very good.
अभी कह रही है 2 मिनट नहीं आते
Just 2 minutes so that all your friends can come now. They also want to make a gift for their fathers. So let them come. Just wait for 1 or 2 more minutes. Okay?
जल्दी जल्दी वाओ रेड कलर ड्रेस सो नाइस मैम को मैम ने भी रेड कलर वाओ बनाएंगे हम बनाएंगे
क्लास कर रही है ना?
Okay, I think we should start off now. Okay?
जल्दी स्टार्ट होने वाला है
Okay, let me mute everyone so that we can start off. Okay. Now, a very good afternoon, my dear parents and kids. How are you all? As we all know, tomorrow is Father's Day. So, tell me, do you love your father? Do you love your father? Yes? Yes? Okay. Father is the backbone of a happy. Very good. Very good. Father is the backbone of a happy family. They take care of every small need of ours, especially financially. And children, they fulfill all your demands. Who brings toys for you? Who brings chocolates for you? Your lovely dad. So, time to give respect to him, time to show some love for him. So, let's express ourselves via a beautiful craft work. Here we go. And before beginning the session, let's sanitize our hands. Bring your sanitizer and sanitize your hands.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Dave, good morning, dear. It's good afternoon, darling.
Oh, good afternoon.
It's good afternoon, darling.
Good afternoon.
Okay, are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes.
Good, good. So let's get started. We need, show me the material we need. 2 A4 size white sheets. Okay, 2 A4 size white sheets. And we need 2 rectangles with, what is written on it? Best Dad. With Best Dad written on it. Okay. And what else do we need? We need a red circle. A red circle. Very good. Photograph of your father. A photograph. You have a photograph of your father? Show me. Very good. Very good. A thread. You all have a thread. Very good. And a pair of scissors. Kids, you won't be touching the scissors. Let mama help you to cut. Okay, you won't be cutting. And we need a fevicol. Okay, so let's get started. Wait, I'll unmute you all so that we can all talk while doing the activity. Okay. Okay. Now, camera first. Now, okay, take white sheet first. 1 white sheet. Okay, today I will be telling you an easier technique to fan fold. To fold the sheet. Okay, so that you will get the lines and you can easily fold on those lines. Okay, just see. This is the sheet. Okay. Now keep it like this and fold it from the center. Fold it from the center. See, like this. Fold it from the center. Okay. Now, again, we are going to fold it. Press the lines. Okay. Press all the folds properly. And now again we are going to fold it like this. And again like this. Okay.
Ma'am, please repeat the step.
Wait, ma'am. Wait. I'll do with the other sheet so that you can see easily. I'll do it again. Okay. Take the sheet and keep it like this. Just fold it into the half. Are we done till here? And again we'll fold. Up till now we have done two folds. One was half and this is the second fold. This is the third fold. We are going to fold it 4 times, okay? This is the third fold and this is the fourth fold. Okay, in this way we are going to get a sheet like this. Now we'll open it now. When we'll open it, we'll get all the folds for the fan fold. See, we have the lines. Now on these lines, we can do the fan fold. See. Now you can start folding on these lines. In this way, your fan would be equally folded and you will get all the folds properly. If somebody wants to enter. Okay. This way, we'll get all the folds properly. See, we are getting the folds properly now. As we have these lines, so it becomes easier to fan fold. See. It becomes easy to fan fold like this as we get all the lines. So we are going to do this. We are going to do this with both the sheets. Okay. We are going to fan fold both the sheets. Okay. Let's do the other one also. Have you all folded it like this? The other sheet also?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So shall we move forward? Let's open this again. It is going to look like this. And we'll start off with the fan fold of the other sheet.
कैसे फोल्ड कर रही हैं तो देखो यहाँ पे
Let's all fold this. Let's all fold this. You have these imaginary lines. You have these imaginary lines. Now we'll fan fold it. Okay? Okay? Who's crying? Who's crying? Who's crying? Who's not concentrating on the activity? Please concentrate. Now, this is also done. Okay. This is also done. Now we have 2 sheets of fan fold. We have 2 sheets. Show me 2 sheets. Very good. Very good. Very good. Really nice. Really nice. Now we'll paste. We'll join these sheets. Okay. So let's take the Fevicol. keep both the sheets like this. Okay.
Fevicol, Yadvik, where's Fevicol?
We are going to open one fold. We'll apply some Fevicol onto it and we will place the other sheet over it. Okay. Okay. So now here goes a bigger fan. Okay. Here goes a bigger fan. See, I have a bigger fan now. Press it so that the folds become visible. Okay. See, now I have a bigger sheet. Are we all done till here? We all have a bigger sheet. Very good. Very good, everyone. Let's wait for a few people who are doing it. Let's wait for 2 minutes. Okay. Now. Very good. Very good. Mukund, where's yours? Right. Good. And Anika, where's yours? Okay. Now, let's move further. Now, what are we going to do? We are going to place it like this and keep a finger in the center and we are going to fold it. Okay. We are going to fold it into half. We are going to fold it into half and press it. Okay. Let's fold this into half and press it. Okay, we'll get a fold like this. Now take the thread and tie it from the center. Okay, let's tie it tightly from the center. Okay, like this. Yes, Yadvik?
What do we have to do after this?
Ma'am, you have to paste them together.
Paste.
Is it joined? Anika, yeah, Anika, you just bring it back to this position and then just bring it, fold it back. Anika, just fold it back like this.
इसमें thread लगाया है, thread इसको पहले fold करो, ऐसे बनाया ना, इसमें thread tie कर दो.
Yes, Anika, very good. Just fold it like this. You want be a good boy. You want be a good boy and sit down on the chair. In the class, you sit on a chair now. Sit down properly, you want. Be a good boy. You want a star? You want a star? You want a star? Bad manners, you want good boy. Be a good boy. Yuvan is a very good boy. He'll sit on a chair, okay? Very good. Nice boy. Star. You want star? Ma'am, Anika has done till here. Let's all do it till here. Let everyone complete.
चलो मम्मा ने आपके लिए नॉट बांध दी. चलो
Yes. Really nicely doing, kids. Okay, very good. Everyone has tied the knot. I'll repeat once again. When you come to this fan fold, you have to fold it from the center, and you will get a fold here. You will get a fold here, and then you will have to tie it with a thread from the center. Okay? Now, let's take the Fevicol and stick it together.
Very good.
Let's take the Fevicol and apply it here. Let's paste the thread also inside. Okay? Let it go inside the fold. And we'll paste it like this.
Yes, Fevicol.
प्रेस करो ऐसे
Okay?
Press करो, join it.
Hold it.
Join it. Join it.
Join. Hold it like this. Okay? It's joined now. See?
करो मैम को
Okay. Show me. Show me. Very good, Yadvik. Very good. Very good, Mukund. Very good, Yuvan. Very good, Hunar. Very good, Gunav. Very good, Dev. Very good.
इसका टमाटो कुआ
Very good.
Let us make it faster.
Okay. Now we are going to complete this fan fold. Okay, we are going to make a circle out of it. Now this is the other side. This is the other side, which is remaining. Okay, we'll apply Fevicol here also, and we'll paste it. We'll apply Fevicol here. Apply some Fevicol here. And let's paste this. Okay. Is it looking like this? Yes, yes, you won. Correct. Yes. Yes, Anika, yes. Yes, Mukund, good. Yes, Hunar, yes, correct. Yes, yes. Yes, Yadvik, right, right. Dave, where is yours?
पीछे हो पीछे करो पीछे करो
Yes, yes, good, good, good. Now let's move. Okay, now let's take this red circle. Okay, let's take this red circle. On one side, we'll paste it here. Okay, we will paste this circle here. Now let's apply some Fevicol.
very good.
Paste it here in the center. See, we can join it from the center easily. So we'll apply it on the center and it will be joined.
Press.
Very good. Very good.
सेंटर में सेंटर
Show it to mom.
Very good.
फोटो पीस करने फट जाएगा सारा
Ma'am, Yuvan is watching video.
Look. Oh, Yuvan, please close it.
मैम बोल रही सुन
Yuvan, close it off, baby. Let's do the activity. Yuvan, see all your friends are doing it. देखो कितना सुंदर बना रहे हैं सब. देखो, very good. Myra, very good. Very good, Avya. Yadvi,
Very good.
very
Okay,
good.
all okay.
Very good, Mukul.
Rahul,
Yuvan, look on the screen, baby. Very good, Dave. Very good. Very good. Now let's move further. Okay. Now we'll take these two strips. Best dad written on it. Okay. Now we are going to cut it from the bottom. Let's keep this aside. Okay. For a few minutes, let's keep this aside and see. These are the. Now, kids, you won't handle the scissor. Let mom do this for you. We'll cut this triangle. See, like this. Okay. We have these. We have these. Right. Right. Good. Good. Very nice, Dave. Very good, Hunar. Very good. Very good. Very good, Yuvan. Very good.
Right to this side, देखो मैम.
Very good, Yadvik. Very good. Now, shall we move on? Yes, very good, Anika. Very good. Very good. Very good, Mukund. Let's move on. Okay. Now, let's bring the circle back. Okay. Let's bring the circle back and we'll turn it over now. We'll not paste it here. We'll turn it over like this. Okay. Now, best dad we are going to paste. See, the thing which we have to keep in mind is best should be here and dad should be here. So what we can do is to avoid the confusion, first we can paste them together. Okay, we can paste them together and then we can paste them at the back.
Paste करो.
Let's join these two sheets together. Okay, and pick them up, then paste them at the back. Okay. See, paste it like this so that best dad is visible. Paste it in such a way.
फेविकॉल लगाओ. कम है.
Let's put some Fevicol.
यहाँ पर डॉट लगाना. अब यहाँ पे फेविकॉल लगाओ. इस पे लगाओ. इस पे.
Actually, Fevicol is wet. Let's paste it like this. It's done. Okay. If the Fevicol is wet and it's not sticking, you can apply cellophane tape also at the back. If it's not sticking, then you can apply cellophane tape also at the back. Right. I can see some really nice ones. Very good. Very good. How nice they're looking. Very good. Very nice. See. Okay. Now let's move on. Okay. Now what we are going to do, we are going to take the photograph and paste it in the center of this circle. Okay. Take the photograph and apply the Fevicol on the back and paste it here in the center. Okay. Let's paste the photograph here in the center. Paste the photograph of your father in the center. Okay. Very good. Very good, Abhya. Very good. Very good, Yuvan. Yuvan, this is for your papa. You love your papa now? Very good, Dev. Very good.
Say yes, I love my papa. My papa.
Very good, Hunar. Very good, Yadvik. Very good, Mukund. Very good.
No.
Very good, Hunar. Very good, everyone.
कुछ नहीं करते
Let everyone complete, okay? Let's wait for others to complete.
आप करेंगे भी दिखाना
Very good, Abhya. Very good. Very good, Anika. Really nice. All the kids have made it nicely. Beautiful. Very good. Has everyone completed the activity? Show me.
sit down
Very good, Yuvan. Very good.
good sit waist
Very good, yeah. Very good, Yatik. So, wait, let me mute you also that. Okay. Now, when your father comes back home, okay, when your papa comes back home now, give him a tight hug. Or you can gift him tomorrow also. You can hide this out and you can gift him tomorrow also. As tomorrow is the Father's Day now. Very good, Abhya.
Yes, ma'am.
You can, yes, you can gift him. Give him a tight hug, okay? And gift him this token of love made by you and say, love you, Papa. And say, love you, Papa.
Papa.
And do send us your pictures while gifting this to your father. Okay? Love you all. Bye-bye. Take care. And
Thank you,
we'll meet.
ma'am. It was seriously a wonderful session.
Oh, thank you, ma'am. Thank you for appreciating. Thank you, ma'am. Please click the photographs of the kids with their fathers. And please share, because we really and you all we all together did this effort for fathers, especially for fathers, and we would love to have your pictures and your kids' pictures with their fathers. Okay, and ask him to put this. Ask your dad to put this on his chest or hold it any ways he wants, and then click the photographs. Okay? Bye bye. Meet you in the next session.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye.
Love you.
Bye. Give me a flying kiss, everyone.
Bye.
Love you
Lots of
all.
kisses.
Miss you all. Okay. Bye.
Okay.
Bye.
Miss you.
Me.
Miss you,
Miss you.
dearies. Miss you.